There are lots of reasons why we garden, and high on the list for me is flowers. But there's one thing my own garden's missing, and that's a rose garden. So I'm going to use the Richgro Effect to create something simply stunning. Roses are a fantastic plant that are surprisingly hardy once they're established, and right here is where my new rose garden is going to go. It's an open, sunny spot with a great view from the house, so I can see the rose garden even when I'm inside. I prepared the ground by removing all of the grass and installing this climbing trellis. The key to the success of the rose garden is preparation, so I'm going to be adding compost to this soil to help it hold on to water and nutrients. Firstly, I spread it all over the top of the soil to an approximate depth of 75 millimeters. I then dig it through the soil to incorporate it, roughly the depth of the head of the shovel. This not only mixes it through, but also helps free up the soil so new roots find it easy to penetrate. When it comes to planting, I'm going for a traditional formal layout, but you don't need to. In the centre of my bed, I've got a climbing rose, and around the outside, I'm going to have smaller varieties. That way, when the climber gets up, I won't lose the others. I'm going to finish things off with some Richgro Black Marble rose food. It's specifically formulated for roses, so it's got everything they need. It's got iron for big green glossy leaves, and potash for big flowers, and everything else in between. After watering in well, I apply a layer of mulch to help lock the moisture in the soil. All I need to do now is keep the food up to them and enjoy. Feed every 4 to 6 weeks throughout the growing season and grow you good things.